best advice I can give to anyone who wants to grow a climbing rose is to be confident. And people get really worried about pruning climbers because climbers can be big and go all over the place. And the first thing you have to do is remember that you are the boss and the plant is subservient. And so you cut off bits that don't go where you want them to. With a climber, the more you make a branch go away from the vertical towards the horizontal, the better it will be next year. All the way along, it will make little side shoots which will flower. Fan them out, they'll flower up and up and up, and you won't end up with a bare bottom and flowers waving around at the top. So you take control, you make it go where you want to. If you train it and bend it, the stems to where you want in the autumn, sort of September time, they're flexible and they bend an awful lot. You can make a stem go up and round and an S bend up an arch. And the more it goes across, the more it fills out in flowers. And that's what you want, flowers. That's how to do it.